Serangoon Gardens, one of the oldest private residential estates where meals and memories are made. Surrounded by an array of eateries ranging from the hawker centres, cafes to trattorias, this is truly home for those who love to live and dine well. 8 on Chuan is a row of lovely terraces exuding elegance and features open void spaces, allowing you to live and feel the luxury lifestyle. Mere minutes from the hustle and bustle of gardens, this house along Chuan Drive sits on 2,024 square feet of land. This house is architecturally designed to promote an open-plan living style with natural sunlight strewed throughout the entire house. Classic design elements such as marble flooring, soaring ceiling heights, industrial window lines is consistent throughout the entire house. Nearly 18 years old, this house is still in very great shape. The main level features a massive living room, a courtyard, a bright dining room, a wet and dry kitchen, as well as a guest bedroom and a guest bathroom. On the second floor, the entire flooring is made of Peicai. At the top of the stairs, we have an ensuite bedroom, perfect for your children. There's also a family area which can be converted into a large bedroom or a study area. And now the grandest room of all, the master bedroom, featuring ceiling heights wardrobes along the entire stretch all the way to the master bathroom. The master bathroom is tiled with marble tiles and beautiful green mosaic tiles, creating an entire different atmosphere altogether when you enter this bathroom. The master bedroom has a massive space for resting and it is connected to a balcony which is lovely. Simply grow some plants and overlook your neighborhood. On the third story, we have the glass skylights which bathe the entire level with natural light, making the place really chirpy and happy. And we also have a bedroom here with ensuite bathroom, which can be an entertainment area for those who like to chill in the air-conditioned place after the barbecue. Another special feature of the house is that the helper room as well as the laundry room is here on the third level, tucked away from your entertainment and rest areas. And now, one of our favorite places of the house, the rooftop terrace. Over here, you can entertain your guests with barbecue, al fresco dining, or simply enjoy some gardening time while you watch your sunset as the day closes. As you come home after the sunset, this house gives you a different feeling, a warm and welcoming one, because it's illuminated by the Italian designer lights handpicked by the owners. For another exclusive viewing, call Property Runway today.